and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this creative and super easy Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This makeup tutorial has a heart on the lid, and I got inspired by Rocío Cejas, and I'll link her Instagram and YouTube channels down below. And I also saw my friend Jaclyn recreate this look, and I'll also link her Instagram below. So I really hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And without further ado, let's just get into this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. First thing that I'm going to apply to my face after the moisturizer is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I'm going to be wetting this sponge with my Badescu facial spray. And I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Foundation in the color 300. And I'm just going to apply it.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting.
I'm going to be using my Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay, and I'm just going to be applying that under my eyes.
I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Setting my under eyes with the Mercier powder. I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D shade in light contour palette, and I'm going to contour my cheekbones. And I'm just going to be taking this color right here, the first color that you see. And I'm going to contour. Try and contour my nose. Try. And I'm going to be using this crease brush and the same first color in the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm just going to try. Don't judge me if it turns out really bad, please. Next, I'm going to be taking this color right here, the first one as well, and I'm going to be applying it on the center of my nose. Next, I'm going to be applying my blush with the Morphe E4 brush, and the blush that I'm using is the Nars Orgasm one. I've hit pan already. I also like the Milani Luminoso blush, but let me tell you a quick story. I was in the bathroom applying some blush, and I don't know how, like, the toilet was like open and I dropped my blush inside the toilet. And I went to Walmart to see if they had any more Milani Luminoso blush, but they didn't, and I need to go to another Walmart to see if they have it, because that's one of my favorite drugstore blushes, and it's so sad what happened to it. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Champagne Pop highlight. I'm just going to pat that in my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush, and I'm just going to put that over my cheekbones. I'm going to be using the Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I love it. It's so refreshing. I love it, you guys. And I'm so sweaty. Lipstick, I'm going to be mixing the Kylie Cosmetics Cozy K lipstick and the Kylie Cosmetics Candy K lipstick in the middle of my lips. There's nowhere to go, 'cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fun. So that's it for my makeup tutorial, guys. I really hope that you enjoy it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!